We'll guide you through how to check someone's location on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. It's really convenient to be able to see and check someone's location on an iPhone. So we're going to guide you through the different ways you can go about this. Make sure it's this full video as we're covering different methods you can try doing. Perhaps you're wondering where you're going to be meeting a friend for lunch and they're trying to say come to me, or you're just trying to see if a family member is almost home. So let's go and get started with these methods. For the first way, what you can do is you can go and open up the Messages app, like so. Now, what you can do is you can come and create a new conversation if you haven't currently got it open here. Otherwise, you want to go and open up the chat. Now, what you can do is you can go and look at the top. There you can go and see the city and the country they're currently in, Manchester, England on this case. Then what we can do is go and tap on that at the top, and in info, we'll go and see the map. So currently this person is sharing the location with me. If they're not, don't worry, we'll guide you through that in a moment. Then what you can do here is go and tap on the map and you can go and start exploring and seeing where they are. Alternatively, you can come out of messages. And for the next way, what you can do is you need to go and open up the Find My app. So by default, that should be on the second page here. And what you can do is you can go and open that up like so. Then you want to go and press people in the bottom right and see a list of different people here. As you can see at the top, I can go and see Rob Tucker GR. I can go and tap there and I'll be taken to their location as they're sharing their location with me. However, in this case, if I go back to people, you can see that George here can go and see my location, but they aren't sharing theirs back. What we can do though, is we can actually go and request someone's location. So we're then able to go and check and see it in the future. So to go and do this, you need to go and start sharing your location with them. So you can press the plus in the top right. You can press share my location and choose a contact you want to do it with. Then when you go and start sharing your location, what you need to do is you need to go and then tap on it and you can go and scroll down and you'll see at the bottom the option for request location. And you'll then be able to go and request it. And then if they go and accept it, you'll be able to go and see it. Otherwise, if you want to go and have their location on here, they can go and add you. So they'll need to come into their Find My app or messages. In Find My, press the plus in the top right and press share my location. They can select you and choose amount of time. And then it'll be added to this list here and you'll easily be able to go and see where they are. Alternatively, location can be shared in the Messages app as well. So they go and open it up and start the chat with you. What they can do is go and press the plus in the bottom left, scroll down and find the option for location, tap there, and they can go and start the process of sharing their location with you. So that's really useful and it's that simple. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more tech guides. We've got loads on the channel and loads more to come as well. If you've got any suggestions, please put them in the comments and I look forward to seeing what you have to say. Have a great day and I look forward to catch you again.